Here we have a rattlesnake that we all walked right past.
Buffy here, trying to get out of the rain. You have a chicken coop. So it has been 2 weeks. 2 weeks. These silly goats have been being bred. So let's check out who. Most of them are bred already. So pretty cool. We'll see if they go back into heat though. Is that chicken being a goat with you guys? What's going on, beautiful? Huh? Sillies. Sillies. Of course, you guys know these two are bred. Mayo. And Crazy Lily. Lily has been bred. Derek saw her flagging yesterday. Where are you, girl? Lily. She was standing and flagging yesterday when I was at work. I didn't get to see it, but I do see remnants on her back end. It has been raining good the last couple of days. Everything's all mucked up. Huh, girls? How are you? You good, Everest? Huh? Little gentleman. So there we have it. Everybody in this pen is bred. You are just king of the castle, sir. Merle. Just chilling. What? What's going on, little bit? She was bred last week. Huh. You and Dawn are bred. You guys stinkers. What's going on? You got like an Elvis do kicking, don't you? Yeah. Fancy feets. And in here, with the luck buck, Anna has not been bred. Not been bred. Back off, Lucky. I don't bite you. May has been bred. She is in heat. Elsa was bred a couple weeks ago. This week we got May. This girl better get bred next week. He's been acting a little interested in her actually today, so maybe here in the next day or two she'll go into heat. Now the only two in here I don't believe are bred are Sky and Lacey. Maddie up here is definitely bred. Bendy is definitely bred. And Miss Cammy. What are you doing, Maddie? It's a really nice day. So there it is. We have 3 does left. So that means 11 does have been bred. Hopefully they took. We shall see if they go into heat again. About every 21 days, right? So we still have Sky, Lacey, and Anna. That's it. when I told you guys I couldn't wait to make salsa. Have some fresh ripe tomatoes. Well, I got a whole bowl of them, a ton of cilantro and peppers, and we're making salsa.
This one could do a little walk stand.
Man, they are screamers. They've got to be boys. Are you a boy?
This one could
Are you a boy? You scream like a boy.
And this one likes me. I like this one for liking me. They're so cute. You are.
What do you think, Tink?
She's like, I'm tired.
You're awful chill with all that crying.
She's like, what?
Yeah.
Guys, you guys are making me sad. Look at that.
I like this one. The fluffy. Hey! Hey!
His head's right there.
Let him strike you.
He's not going to.
Oh, I see him right there.
He's already proven he's my friend, right, Steve? So here we have a rattlesnake that we all walked right past, and apparently I almost stepped on. You can see his head right there. And there's his rattle.
That's freaky.
And he's curling up now. He's getting mad at me. He's where he could.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's skedaddle. We gotta mark our spot here.